Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix cannot update apps on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start the video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do, we have to just simply open setting, and from here guys, make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. Now after that guys, simply scroll down, tap on general, and from here guys, tap on software update and make sure that there is no update on your device. If they have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then what you need to do, you have to simply go back, then tap on here background app refresh, and from here guys, turn this toggle on. Now after that guys, simply go back, scroll below, tap on your app store, scroll it below, sorry, and from here guys, simply turn this toggle on, app updates, turn this toggle on, and from here guys, simply go back, and from here guys, simply tap on here cellular, tap on this, scroll it below, scroll it below, and from here guys, turn this toggle on. Now after that guys, simply go back and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.